Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to store tomatoes for a long time. First, choose ripe, firm tomatoes without any soft spots or damage. Gently wash them under cool water and dry them completely to prevent mold. Removing the stems is important, but avoid breaking the skin. This initial preparation is crucial for ensuring your tomatoes last as long as possible, whether you plan to refrigerate, freeze, or preserve them in other ways. For short-term storage, keep whole, ripe tomatoes on your counter, stem side down, for about 5 to 7 days. This helps maintain their flavor and texture. If you need them to last a bit longer, you can refrigerate ripe tomatoes for up to 2 weeks, though they might lose some of their vibrant taste. Always store cut tomatoes in an airtight container in the fridge and use them within 2 or 3 days. Freezing is an excellent method for long-term storage. Start by washing and coring your tomatoes. Blanch them in boiling water for about 30 to 60 seconds, then immediately transfer them to an ice bath. This makes peeling very easy. You can then chop or crush them before freezing in airtight bags or containers. Frozen tomatoes can last for 8 to 12 months, perfect for sauces and stews. Beyond freezing, canning and drying offer fantastic long-term options. Canning, using a water bath or pressure canner, can preserve tomatoes for over 1 year. For drying, slice tomatoes about 1/4 inch thick and use a dehydrator or a low oven setting until they are leathery. Store dried tomatoes in airtight containers. Both methods allow you to enjoy the taste of fresh tomatoes long after the growing season ends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.